Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Boxycharm unboxing. I had canceled Boxycharm in April because there's absolutely nothing that I really wanted in that box. The brushes would have been okay, but the rest of it I knew I was just going to pass along or give away, and it seemed like a waste of money. So I canceled, and I was waiting until they had spoilers, complete spoilers for May before I resubscribed. So I just barely got my Boxycharm in the mail. It is a different shape this month, which is kind of interesting. I've never seen, it's a little taller than usual and of course like smaller. So this is what it looks like, and I did check it out when I got it to make sure it was all there and it was all okay. And I'm so excited because it is exactly like what I was hoping to get. So the first thing in here is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I was hoping to get this and not the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. I think coconut has been making me break out because every time I use a product with coconut water or coconut oil in it, I start getting breakouts. And that was happening with different micellar waters and stuff, so I think that's part of the problem. So I was glad not to get that moisturizer. This retails, oh sorry, the cleanser retails for $28, so pays for the box right there. Next is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow from Ciate London, and I got this shade Cupid. I know there's a couple of different shades that you could get, and I got the pinky one, which was the one I was hoping to get. Now I don't use a lot of liquid eyeshadows. I need to start using them. That's one of my goals this summer. So that's what the applicator looks like. So it gives you quite a bit on the actual like side. Oh my gosh, it is super pretty. So that's what it looks like, just swatched, and then we'll kind of we'll smooth it out a bit. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like pinky but gold. You can definitely see that in the camera. So I was excited that that was the shade that I got. And then the other thing I was super excited about was the Dose of Colors. And I was hoping that I would get that, and this was the main reason I resubscribed, because I love Dose of Color liquid lipsticks. I have several of them. I bought a couple of the packs, and then I have a few others that I got when they were 50% off during Ulta's 21 days. Today, the one I got today is Talk is Chic, which is a shade I don't have, which is awesome. And it looks like a really pretty berry color. I'm just so, oh my gosh, it's a great color actually. I was hoping that I wouldn't get one that I already had, or if I did, that I would get Strawberry Pop, because I know other people who've gotten it, and that's like my favorite of all of them. Sorry, I had to sneeze. So I forgot to tell you the price. I'm doing really terrible on prices. So the eyeshadow is $22, which once again pays for the box. And then the liquid lipstick is $18. So far, like I said, I was really excited about everything. And then the next thing in here, I knew that there was going to be one of the products, no matter what, because it looked like it was an eyeliner or a mascara or a brow product. All things that I don't want, so I knew one of them I would pass on no matter what, most likely. And this is the Mellow Brow Definer. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to put this in a giveaway pile because I don't do brows. It's just something that I don't have the energy for, I guess is the best way to say it. And that retails for $18. The final thing in the box that I got is from Alamar Cosmetics. And this is a blush trio. They had 3 shades, or you could get a blur stick, which was like a luminizing blur stick, which sounded awful for somebody with oily skin, so I was really hoping I'd get the blush palette. And I got the medium one, which is kind of funny because obviously I am super pale, but I got the medium tan, which is fine with me because these are the prettiest colors, I feel, of the 3 palettes. And that is what they look like. Oh, I think they're going to be fine. Yeah, that's what they look like on first application. So Definitely no darker than the blush that I have. The blush I have on today is a little bit more than usual, but yeah. So that was my box. This retails for, sorry, one more price. How much does this retail for? $22. So $22, $28, $18, $22. All things that I'm super happy to have. And then the brow definer, which is fine. I don't mind it. Anyway, I'm really happy with this month's box. I think it was a really good box. I would really like to know if you got things, if you got different things than I did, because I think it's fascinating how many variations they are now having on Boxycharm, because it's kind of getting ridiculous, and it made me nervous that I was going to get stuff that I didn't want. I'm really excited for Boxy Luxe next month, which was another reason why I signed up, because while they're doing the hairdryer, I think that's going to be an absolutely fantastic gift for a friend or family, because I don't blow dry my hair, and I have a couple hair dryers already, but I think that will be an absolutely fantastic gift to give somebody. And yeah, I'm really excited for the other things. That serum, sorry, I should have said spoilers. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are on everything. If you are excited for Boxy Luxe, or if you are sticking to the regular Boxy, let me know down below. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.